In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to HubSpot. We'll go through the full setup inside HubSpot, then connect your Xero account and review the main sync settings so everything is configured the way you want it. This process is straightforward, but it helps to move carefully, especially when you're deciding how data should sync between both platforms. Start by logging in to your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small store building. From there, select HubSpot Marketplace. This is where you can browse and install apps that connect with your HubSpot portal. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Xero and select Xero by HubSpot, specifically the Data Sync app. Make sure you choose the correct app so you're setting up the official sync connection. When you open the app listing, click Install App to begin. Next, HubSpot will prompt you to connect your Xero account. Enter your Xero login details, review the permissions being requested, and then click Accept. These permissions allow HubSpot and Xero to share the data needed for the integration, so it's a good idea to quickly review what access is being granted before continuing. Once the app is installed and authorized, go to Data Management and then click Data Integration. In your Connected Apps area inside HubSpot, select Xero and navigate to the CRM Syncs tab. This is where you'll control how records move between the two systems. Now choose your sync direction. You can usually select one-way sync if you want data to move from one platform into the other without sending changes back, or two-way sync if you want updates in both systems to stay aligned. You'll also need to decide how conflicts are handled. In other words, if the same record has different information in HubSpot and Xero, you'll choose which platform should take priority. After that, go to Product Sync if you want to sync Xero items with HubSpot products. This helps keep your product information aligned, and Xero tax rates will automatically import into your HubSpot tax library, which can save time and reduce manual setup later. Then move to Invoice Sync and configure how invoices should flow between the two platforms. This is an important part of the setup since it determines where invoices are created, updated, or referenced. Finally, set your limits and filters. This allows you to control which records are included in the sync, helping you keep the integration clean and relevant to your business needs. Once that's done, your Xero and HubSpot connection should be ready to use.